Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about Binance Launchpool and explain how to participate in the Launchpool's new project. If you're ready, let's get started. Before we dive into Binance's new project, I want to show you some statistics of tokens released from Binance Launchpad. In this table from CryptoRank, you can see the tokens from Binance Launchpad. The average return on investment, ROI, is quite good, and the average all-time high, ATH, is also significantly high. Both Binance Launchpad and Launchpool projects offer free token services. To participate and earn tokens, all you need to do is lock your assets in your wallet for a specific period. If you don't have a Binance account, you can register using the discounted registration link below for a 20% discount. After completing the identity verification, you are free to participate in all projects. Now, let's delve into the details of Binance's new project. The project is called altlayer. When I visited the website, I found the following description. Altlayer is a decentralized protocol that facilitates the launch of native and restaked rollups with both optimistic and ZK rollup stacks. This is truly interesting. You can use the project's links to research and explore the website. Let's return to Launchpool. Yes, Launchpool pools will be active on January 19th. We will stake for 6 days, and on January 25th, Binance will list altlayer. Here are some other details about altlayer. I see that the token supply is 10 billion, and 5% of the token supply will be distributed in Launchpool pools. The initial circulating supply is up to 11% of the maximum supply. To participate in Launchpool, you need to complete your identity verification. After that, the steps are quite simple. Firstly, use the More button above to go to the Launchpad Launchpool page. You will see a page like this. The event hasn't started on my page yet. When the event begins, enter one of these pools and stake by using the Stake button. Let me show you how to stake. I click on the BNB pool. When the countdown reaches 0, all you have to do is lock your BNB assets for 6 days using the Stake button. You can also use the FDUSD pool for staking. If you want to withdraw your funds after staking, you can use the Redeem button. Doing this will not incur any penalties or losses. You can claim your stake rewards from this section. If you forget to do this, no problem. The rewards will automatically come to your wallet. That's it. If you want to participate in the project, prepare your BNB or FDUSD tokens. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.